Okay, so blues in G, beginning with that C sharp. It's G7 chord bar. I'll slow that down. C sharp to D, F to G. The pinky's playing that F, E to D on that second string. Now I'm going to switch to the C chord, F sharp to G, B flat to C, and then I'm going to play the C chord. B flat to A, G, and then back to G. And slide up to A, back to G. And then here's the cadence riff. There's that C bending up to C sharp. B flat. Cadence on G. Okay, little blues riff in G. Guitar Bobby, thanks for watching. God bless.